a boy born in Germany later becomes environmentalist, environmental thinker, professor, and environmental activist. He also completes his PhD in chemistry. He is also an author and wrote many books, including Cradle to Cradle, Upcycle, and others. He advocates that industrial waste is not waste, it's food. There is no waste. The waste is instead food, either for the planet or for redesigning another product. He is also Greenpeace activist. As a part of his activism, he lives in a tree. By now, you may have guessed his name. If not, he is none other than Michael Braungart. He once said, "We see a world of abundance, not limits." In the midst of a great deal of talking about reducing the human ecological footprint, we offer a different vision. What if humans design product and system that celebrate an abundance of human creativity, culture, and productivity, that are intelligent and safe? Our species leaves an ecological footprint to delight in, not lament. He also said, everything else is designed for you to throw away when you are finished with it. But where is away? Of course, away does not really exist. Away has gone away. It means there is no waste at all. We can use waste as a food. Waste is a nutrient, either for industrial system or for Mother Earth. Michael is a real hero of the holistic ecosystem. Let's honor his contribution, get inspired from his work, and take action for our shared home, our Mother Earth. If not us, who? If not now, when? This is a very important question, I think. Let's work together. Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing other similar inspirational stories. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.